Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today I would like us to unbox this NES620 Retro Gaming Console. So you can see guys, this is the box. It doesn't have much to see in the box. So let us open and see what is inside. So to open, just open like this. Wow, it comes with two controllers, as you can see. We have direction button, we have select, start, and then we have the actions buttons here. And the good thing I saw about these controllers, they come with USB, not like those proprietary connection which you cannot hook up or connect other aftermarket controllers. So if you have aftermarket controllers which have USB, you can use this console with them, because now this one they support USB. Now next we have our power adapter here, power cable. This is a power cable, mini USB, as you can see. So this is a mini USB, as you can see. It is not type C, but it's okay. Then we have our adapter here, so you just hook it up here, or you can use maybe another adapter which you can plug your cable, or you can use this one. Then we have this 3.5mm jack to this one, which you connect your if you want to hook up your console with a big monitor or maybe TV, you just connect it with this one. So you can use this one when you are connecting with your monitor or TV. Then we have our manual here, as you can see. You can refer to this if you are stuck. So it's something good to find in something like this, in this console. Then we have our console itself here, guys. Wow, but it's very light, very light. As you can see, on top we have nothing. Then on the back we have our 3.5mm jack, where you hook up this one. So you just plug it here like this, then you connect this to your TV or monitor. If your monitor doesn't support this one, I don't know what they called, you can find, we have some adapters there out there which you can connect this one, and then you will transmit to your TV. Then we have our port here for your power, where you connect your power adapter. And then we don't have anything on the side, even on the here we don't have anything, we just have our screws here. Then on the front here, this is the front. Yes, as you can see, we have reset button, we have power button here. Yes, then we have entertainment system. Then we have our two USB, where you hook up your controllers, two controllers. So it's good for multi gaming. If you have a friend, or if maybe you want to you can play alone, or maybe if you have a second person. Unlike the others which comes with a screen, this one you need an external screen so that you can hook it up. The name 620 means that it has 620 classic games built in. So let me hook it up on maybe a TV or monitor so that we can check it out. If your monitor does not support this RCA cable, you can buy this AV or RCA to HDMI. So the white here is for video. Now this is for video, just plug it there. And this one is audio, you can plug either on this side, but since it's red, let us plug on the red side like this. And this side you can plug HDMI, which goes to your monitor or which goes to your TV. If you have a monitor like this one which I'm using, it doesn't support HDMI, so I have bought another adapter here. It is HDMI to VGA, because it only supports VGA. So let me plug it here like so. Then on this side I will plug my monitor, my VGA cable, like So you can see like so. Yes, like that. Now as you can see, my monitor has detected I have plugged something. Then on the other side here, as you can see here, on this side you plug it on your console, this side here. So you can plug it there like that. Then just power everything on. Let us power it. So remember, this one required power, so let us plug the power like so. And then as you can see, now it has detected. Let us switch our console on like so. Yeah, and you can see now we have power, and then we have everything there. Now we can play our games. So I have my controller here. So let me plug it here, like me plug here like so. So after plugging in, let's see if we can play a game. I'm using this controller. So as you can see, it has 620 games, like the name NES620. So it has 620 games. So let me see one like Contra here. So let me select this one. So let me see if we can play one game here. Now you will not be able to hear audio because I'm using VGA. VGA does not support audio. So let's see if we can play an audio. Let me start. Let me see if we can play a game here. Yes, it is opening. Yes, like that. As you can see now, we are able to play. This is for shooting, as you can see, and you can go up like this. So it's very nice. And remember, this supports duo or multiplayer, so you can play with your with one of your friends or maybe someone else. So it's nice, something to have fun with. It's very nice. The only downside of this is just that you need a different monitor. You need a separate monitor so that you can operate it. It's not like those other what we call them consoles, which have their own monitors. So this one you need a monitor or a TV. But overall, it's something nice which you can put on your home or maybe somewhere where you need it. Now guys, my final thoughts about this console is that okay, it's very nice, by the way, very good. It's something which you just put on your house, you just play with it, or maybe if you have friends, since it supports for multiplayer, that is, it's something you can you can use. You can hook up any USB controllers and it will work. And for the price I bought it for around $9, which is cheap. It's not that expensive, but I like it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on my next one.